Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the Garmin Connect icon to open the app. Once you open the application, you should see the homepage. Now tap on the More icon to open the menu, scroll down and find the Garmin Devices option, and once you find it, tap on it to open the list of devices. On this list you should see your Fenix 8. Tap on it to select it. Now find this button in the top right corner, menu button, tap on it, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove to confirm. Now tap on Close. The watch will disappear from the list of devices. We can close the app, go to the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So let's open the Bluetooth settings. And on the list of paired devices, you should see the Fenix 8. Tap on the settings icon or info icon next to it. Tap on Unpair or Forget Device. And the watch will disappear from this list. And now we can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.